Okay, so in this example, what we're going to do is mix three main chemicals. The first is the same hydrogen peroxide that we've been using, and we're going to add that to a 6,000 milliliter flask. And we've done this several times with smaller containers, but since the neck isn't narrow enough, you don't have as much laminar flow to shoot it up in the air. So we're hoping that this will kind of create a geyser of foam. So to the hydrogen peroxide, we're just going to add Dawn dish detergent. And the people on each side of me, you should be adding detergent right now.
Lots and lots.
And then we have several colors. We have red, we have blue, and we have green. What color do you want?
Don't get it on your fingers.
Red. So we're going to fill this one with red. One mistake people make with this is they don't put in enough food coloring. So you really, since this is going to diffuse in all the bubbles in that detergent, you want to put all of your food coloring in. Because when it spreads out, it won't really be red. It'll be more like it's pink, you know. Now, before you catalyze this, you want to swish it around. So come on over here and just kind of swish it around like this. And stir it around. You're doing great. And now my colleagues on both sides of me, I would put in some more hydrogen peroxide because these are really big containers. So add a little more hydrogen peroxide, right? Stir it some more.
I'll take that too, please.
I need 3 bottles of water at each table. 3 bottles of water. And now our catalyst for this is going to be different than the last 2 demonstrations I've done. We used manganese dioxide for genie in the bottle. We used potassium permanganate for the pillar of fire. And now we're going to use potassium iodide that we're going to dissolve in some water. And when we add that to our flask, that's going to create the reaction. It's going to catalyze the hydrogen peroxide, which will release all that oxygen. But this time, the oxygen is going to be trapped in that detergent, the Dawn dish detergent. That's really what makes the foam. So we're going to bring up some bottled water over here.
How many you need?
Yes, yes, okay. So we're going to add our water to a separate container.
Put it here.
And then we're going to add our catalyst. And we're just going to kind of shake it around in there.
1 inch of water.
Now, colleagues on each side of me, I added some potassium iodide crystals to this earlier. I might come around and add a little bit more. And we are almost ready for our elephant toothpaste. Okay. You'll love how I mix this.
How much of this?
Okay, this one's ready. It's all stirred up. Okay. Hang tight. I'm going to check on these two. Did you add some? Okay. It's good. Hold that.
None got in there.
It's good.
Don't forget none came in.
I got some in. There you go. Okay. Let me double check your graduate cylinder. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now, anything that you don't want covered in foam, you want to move away from the area, including yourself. So when you add your catalyst with this, yeah, you might want to, jump back a little bit, move away a little bit. Sometimes it's quick. Okay, come on over. So what you're going to do, when you're ready, you're going to pour all of this in, okay? And to control that, you might just lean it on the lid like this. All right, you ready? Here we go. Add your catalyst. Pour it all in there. All right, here it comes. Watch, watch, watch. It's building. Let's move this over here so it doesn't get all over us.
I don't think we got any catalyst in
We're
ours.
going to kind of spread this out a little bit. Here we go. Oh! Elephant toothpaste. You can kind of hold the edge. Now, if you put your hand around, you can see steam coming off of it. Very, very exothermic. And did we get yours going?
Not enough catalyst.
Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh! This is why you want to move aside anything you don't want covered in foam, because it'll just keep foaming. Look over here. We have blue. Oh! It is still going. Now come on over here. You don't put your hand in it, but you put your hand up here. You can feel heat.
Feel the heat coming off of it?
That's because it's exothermic. It gives off heat. Yes, it just keeps foaming. Isn't that amazing? Let's give a round of applause for Elephant Toothpaste.
Elephant Toothpaste. Okay. Next. Okay, we got our smoke rings going, I think. Justin, are you here? Thank you. Let's move that guy out. Okay. This is starting to work. Yeah. All right. Let's get our Bernoulli. Where's our here we go. Okay, we got our